Thank you so much. Are we the last before the break? So we're gonna hurry. we're gonna hurry. Okay, thanks so much as well to the SCR to bring this challenge forward. I think it's incredibly relevant for all of us in the vertical to bring the knowledge together that we actually have and that we use on a day-to-day basis. And we are team 2 or full stack magician Max on board from Berlin, Jan from the HSLU, myself founder of Beyond BIM. And I think it's really great that we had team 1 presenting like basically the workflow, so I can focus more on the challenges that we found, because I think we have a technically pretty similar approach, but we would like to discuss a little bit on where the advantages and challenges lie in the subject. So basically, or where do we come from? We see that the increasing complexity that we have for designers or contractors and so forth, or with more knowledge that needs to be provided, more regulations that need to be addressed, leads to an even more complex environment where we need to engage. Same time, in Switzerland we call it Werkvertrag. I'm really not sure how to translate this appropriately, but you have to deliver a defect, ein mängelfreies Objekt, a defect-free building in the end, which means that all responsibility is on the shoulders of the providing participants. So this is like serious stuff. So and to assure the knowledge of all regulations that are out there is nearly impossible to maintain exercise. So really serious task here in this thing. So pretty similar approach. So we have a user interface as well, maintainable by either the SCA or any other organization that would like to go into this direction. Environment where dedicated regulation can be uploaded, but where we say, and as well controlled, or is this right regulations, is it relevant, etc., etc. So that's kind of managed. But at the same time, we come in with a shared history. So we say all questions that are asked in that context or should contribute to the continuous learning within this environment, and to enrich the kind of new addition to the LLM, which is coming together at this point. So how does it look like? Basically, what you see, or it's environment. In this case, we put it on Bubble as a front end. Left hand, you see all the uploaded documents. You can add new documents. One can even add documents from a user side or from the standard organization side. And then, of course, you can as well open the documents directly, see what is in there. But of course, you want to go into the questioning. So, and we just chucked something in where we think it's always relevant, money, or where does my money come from? So me as a Swiss architect, what's relevant in the context of knowledge of the pricing and the money that has to be given to contractors and so forth. And we get quite a good variety of relevant contributions to either how do I buy, in this case doors, what's the supply chain, what is the relevant guidelines that need to be addressed. And you see here as well, we have the link to the documents, which then can be which then can be opened, or you can go directly to the document. And as mentioned, I'd like to talk a little bit of limitations, as it's linked to the OpenAI GPT, which does not give results to one dedicated source. So it just lists to the source, it gives you the page, but within the answer, you will not know where it's come from. However, I think where we at now, or where we would as well be looking forward to continue that journey, or I think the setup is clear. You have the user, whether it's an SCA or an individual user, that can upload the sources which enrich the AI model. And what we believe is important is to have a conversation history that can be consolidated together and that keeps the learning from the context that is for a particular organization like SCR relevant to drive forward the quality of the answers, the quality of the knowledge, and the quality of their interaction as well with the users, so with the community. So what do we have for this data model as available, and it can be directly used. What we see, of course, same challenge is that the unstructured data which come in has its limitations. We played around quite a bit with the temperature, with the similarities of the documents as well. We really ran into quite quickly limitations of the amount of documents that can be analyzed in detail. And even if you say take the money, or it's not so easy to get the queries running in the time you would like to have it. Yeah, I think that's about our contribution. Looking forward to questions. Thank you.